I'm getting pretty excited here, especially about you, because I have this very great project. What I'm doing right now, I'm helping you. In which way? By showing you how you can make good money on internet. In June, July, August, those are the 3 business months for me here, being in my vacation. I'm on my vacation here in Costa Rica, but I want to show you how you can work 2 hours a day only and develop your online income. That you can do this in a 90 days, in a 3 months, June, July, August. For those who have been following me, let me show you exactly what I did so far. Today it's about noontime now, and I got already some money in which way? Just watch the video all till the end, and I hope you're gonna be excited as I am, and I can help you guys. Selling so far today, and my time is 11:30 a.m. Which one is this? Is my, I don't know, this is in Spanish, something weird. Anyway, Sunday 13. I wanted to show you the time, but it's not showing me the real time. Sunday 13, 11:30, and I sold this item. As you can see, I purchased already 21 times. Last purchase was today because I shipped that item. This is one of my favorite items, what I'm selling right now. Not making very much money on this one, but I'm selling this item very easy. So this is one of my items, and let me go and show you on what else I sold today and shipped already on eBay. Okay, as I'm taking this from Amazon and sending them to eBay. And let me click here, and this is my another order here. This was crazy. I want to show you something about this because this is the same what I showed you previously on a previous video. But let me, when I click, it's I purchased 22 times this, but today was something really excited. Look at this. The person, she purchased, the person who purchased this, she purchased 8 of them. I placed 8 orders of them, 8 pieces. Okay, I don't know why. It's not very often, but she paid 8 pieces of them. So here I got a little money. I paid 72 Canadian dollars or 57 American dollars, and I got about $50. I think roughly about $50 profit I got on this item here today. So can you guys imagine if you can do this again and again and again every day, even if only $50 as it is like here? Okay, so that's amazing. And let me show you one more product what I have been selling today is, let me click back on this one, and this is the product I purchased today and send it out this step. By the way, I will make a very short video. Part of this product I will put in a training because this product is very good product. I know this product already. I always sell this product very good. So that's why I purchased already 10 times so far and have been starting to selling this product. This is very good money making product. So so far up till now, what time did I get? Yeah, at the same time. Where is the time? I still don't know which is my time. I have 11:41 right now. This shows crazy, but Sunday 13, and even in the first part in the morning only. What will gonna be in the next of the days? So far, I have been earning here, let's say roughly, maybe almost $100 in a profit. Listen to me. Listen to me now. Listen, guys. Can you imagine if you can do this every single day? And this is only one part of the day over, okay? I still have a lunchtime now, and the rest of the day I will gonna get another $100
Probably, but let's just do very minimalistic thing. Let's say if I will get only $100 per day, only $100 per day, okay, in a profit, and I will not gonna sell much more anyway today, okay. How that would change your life if you can do exactly the same simple way? Make $100 per day, maybe from your own garden, because this is my garden here, okay. I'm in a garden, guys. I'm not in office, and this is not the, you see, this is not the Amazon's background. This is real garden here, okay. So I'm in my garden here. How that could change your life if you can simply live your life as you want and work on this online business, because I'm leading you step by step what to do. Let's say 2 hours per day. 2 hours per day, we start small, and you can live wherever you want. Simple way, practical way, step by step, and you can follow exactly what I'm doing. Below this video there will gonna be a link to book a free call with me. Take a look on the calendar. I'm doing this only 2 hours per day because I'm in vacation, guys, and I'm not doing all day long. You can try to schedule a free book with me. If you have any questions, let's talk to me, okay. See you maybe later today or maybe tomorrow. Take care, bye bye.